Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Amanda Renee, and in this video I'll be sharing with you my top 5 favorite natural hair products of 2024. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. So I'll jump right into the shampoo that is my favorite for this year, and it is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse, and I will show you what it looks like. As you're seeing from the side, I am almost at the end, about 3/4 way finished, and honestly, this shampoo definitely cleans my hair without stripping it of the moisture. It gives my hair a really nice clean, and honestly I also like the smell. It has this ginger essence that I really appreciate. The only thing is that I don't like the nozzle, because the shampoo is a tad bit thick, so it is hard for the shampoo to come out. You'd have to squeeze it a lot. You'd have to squeeze the bottle a lot in order for the shampoo to come out. But the plus to it being a thick shampoo is that a little goes a long way. Not all thick shampoos are like that, but this one in particular has a really rich formula where you don't need a lot. So I really love this shampoo. I have looked at the prices and it is on the affordable side, so I really appreciate the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. It has quickly become a favorite of mine, and it is definitely a favorite for this year, definitely. So next we have the deep conditioner. Now this deep conditioner here is finished, and it is the Talia Wajid Repair and Restore Hair Strengthening Treatment Mask. I would have featured this in some videos earlier this year, and honestly I thoroughly enjoyed using this mask. It left my hair feeling extremely soft, and the fact that it was a repair and restore hair strengthening treatment, so said, so done. I really enjoyed using this product. You will hear more about it in my product empties video at the end of the year, so stay tuned for that video. But this is definitely a favorite of mine, and a runner-up would be the one that I'm currently using, which is the one from Dr. Miracles, and I will put that on the screen. I believe that it is more a protein deep conditioner, but it hasn't damaged my hair. It has really done my hair justice, and I don't use it that regularly. So really and truly, I appreciate these two deep conditioners, this one and the one that I will again put on the screen for you. So moving on to the leave-in conditioner. So this one is from a local brand, Healthy Kinks Botanicals, and it is the Moisture My Way leave-in conditioner. Honestly, this leave-in conditioner I bought this 3 months ago. Tell me why I am only at halfway. Tell me why. The moisture that this has, the slip that this has, 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss, honestly. The only thing I would say that it is kinda on the pricier side. Kinda. Note I said kinda. But it is worth the investment because a little does go a very long way. It is homemade and it gets the job done. So it's a win-win situation. That is why this is my favorite leave-in conditioner of 2024, and I believe that it will be the leave-in conditioner that I will continue to reach for, because I've only reached half of the bottle and it has been just 3 months, and I wash my hair every 7 to 10 days and I'm only at halfway the bottle. I should almost be at the bottom, or I should have already finished this leave-in conditioner, but I'm just at halfway. Child, yes, 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 and yes. So now we're moving on to the stylers. Although I do use gels from time to time, they're not the ones that I would pick up on a regular basis. I would typically pick up either a mousse or a cream. So I will start off with the cream, and the one that I have definitely chosen is the Flora and Curl Style Me Sweet Hibiscus Twist and Braid Cream. Now, you have seen this on my channel before when my hair was much longer. Don't let the shrinkage fool you. My hair is right here. Okay? Good. Right. This cream definitely gets the job done. Definitely does. I would say that the Almond Joy Twisting Butter is a runner-up. It's a toss between the two because both are my favorites, but since I still have this one and the Almond Joy Twisting Butter is finished, although I did pick up the Repair and Restore mask from Talia Wajid as my favorite, I couldn't do it for the stylers. I couldn't. But I will put the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter on the screen because that is a fave as well. It's a toss between the two because both get the job done, and I kind of like the formula of the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter a little bit more than this. However, this one keeps my hair moisturized as well, so it just depends. And what I do have to say about this is that my hair was able to be well. When I say well, I mean well defined. Take for example my braid out that I will put the thumbnail on the screen for, as well as my mini twist that I will also put on the screen. Those were extremely well done with this styling cream, so that is why it is definitely a favorite of mine. This is definitely a favorite of mine. This, however, isn't sold in the Caribbean, speaking subject to correction. However, this is definitely an affordable styler if you do live in Europe or if you have access to a store that sells this product. This is definitely an affordable product, so why not? And a little bit definitely goes a long way. And if you're worried about it weighing down your hair, whether your hair is thin or you have a low porosity hair like me, don't worry about it because it won't cause a problem. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need a lot in order to style your hair. Trust and believe. Because I'm one who's heavy-handed. So if I say that a little bit goes a long way, trust and believe a little bit goes a long way. So last but certainly not least, I have my mousse. It was a difficult choice because I do like two mousses. Out of all the mousses I've tried, there are two mousses that I really enjoy. However, this mousse right here, this mousse right here, this mousse right here, the Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam, the reviews do not lie. I mean, if you don't like it, then you don't like it. Because everybody's hair is different. But the results and the reviews do not lie. A little bit goes a long way. You just need 2 to 3 pumps in order to style each section of your hair. If you want to be a little more heavy-handed, you can, but that is not what the creator advised. I'm just following the creator's instructions. It doesn't say so on the bottle, but I've heard her say 2 to 3 pumps will work just fine for each section. I'm just following the boss. But the hold that this has, this style right here, although it looks old, I have spoken about it in the video that I will put on the screen. This side is the Dew Mousse Def, and the only reason why it's this frizzy, you can still see the definition if you look closely. The definition right here, and you can still see the definition. As I said, the reason it looks so fluffy or it looks so frizzy is due to the rain. That's the only reason why this style in particular doesn't necessarily do the mousse justice, because I was out and it happened to rain. Natural hair, although they kind of mix, it will mess up your hair if your hair is out, like how mine was. But the hold, the definition, I will put videos on the screen and you got to go try them out, because the hold and the definition and the longevity of the styles, this is why I love the Mousse Def, and this is why it is my favorite. The results don't lie. They just don't lie. It is an affordable mousse, so if you see it, get your hands on this mousse and try it out. Who knows, you may like it, you may not like it. Everybody's hair is different, but believe me, pick up this mousse and try it for yourself. That is all I will say. So guys, we have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, definitely give this a like if you enjoyed it, and definitely share this video with someone who is interested in trying new natural hair products but has no idea what products to try. Definitely send this video to them for some product recommendations. And while you're at it, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And if you want to see more content from me, definitely check out videos that will pop up on your screen, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.